Are we live? I think so. Yes, yes we are. Okay. Whew. Let's run the ad and then we can go. Good Lord. Okay. Oh, okay. I did not want to do that, but well, there you go. Hi, Old Rod. Welcome. Hiya, Fire. Welcome. It's coming out of my paycheck. It's true. Welcome. Oh man, I got called like the instant I was going live at 2 p.m. and I just hung up the call. It was a long call. But it was an important call, so I had to make time for it. But I thought, okay, this is not gonna take that long, right? But I was wrong, and I'm sorry about that. Yeah. But as soon as these ads are over, we're gonna keep on going. Fair enough. I thought you were having internet problems. Hopefully that's not the case anymore. I had that issue last time, 2 days ago, but it was because like they were setting up the internet. The internet wasn't set up properly the first time, so they had to like tweak a few things. That's why I was having internet problems that day. But hopefully that's not the case anymore. Hopefully, like, it's a done and dusted deal. Hopefully, please, good Lord, I am. I don't want to have any more internet problems. Please, mercy. Oh man, I was like, new homes and new routers and cables. It's always a thing. Yeah. It's. You'd think that they'd be ready for this sort of thing, but they never are, But, it's fine. It's cool. It's fine. Oh, man. I hung up the call and I'm like, holy crap, it's almost 4. I gotta run. And I'm still like, it's okay. I got it. Okay, ads are over. I already posted on Discord because I pressed enter by mistake, but that's okay. We're gonna just post on the other usual things, not forgetting to mute Mastodon, important. And we're gonna do the thing. That's okay. It's fine. It's cool. I'm cool. It's all good. But yeah, hopefully everything's going well with everyone. It's good over here too, so it's fun. Even though it's like busy, very busy. But yeah, it should be fine, It's cool. We got it. So, last time we did this little bar over here, and it is working in certain aspects. Like, it is feature complete, but then I realized something yesterday. It is working like in terms of functionality, but there is a problem. I need this to sometimes be static. I don't like, there's a certain part of like, I want to see the difference. For example, in warehouses, when you're filling it with goods during trading, for example, I want to showcase like the differential, like how much it'll be full by then. But I don't want it to animate. I just want it to stay static right there, so I can showcase like the differences. So I gotta do that today. That's the thing for today. Hopefully I don't take too long on it, and then I go and do something else. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna start with. Yeah, I'm gonna just finish this thing up because yeah, need to like, yeah, need to do this thing. So we're gonna need for this to work a little differently. We're gonna do this slightly different. But before we do that, give me a sec, because I am going to save as it is now, because I am afraid that I will just ruin everything. So give me a second. Okay, there we go. Yeah. There, good. All right, perfect. Now, let's do this. So, the thing is, I have a value and I have a target value. The target value right now is hidden. It's right here. But that's not going to be the case anymore. I need both. And what I need afterwards is, because like when I change the value, I'm immediately animating the bar to like fill its gap, right? But that's not going to be the case anymore. I need a way to showcase the differential, but not animate immediately. So here's what's going to happen. I'm gonna do a second one. Doesn't matter where it is, to be honest. It's just, okay. This one is gonna be the non-animated version, basically. Or rather, both versions will coexist in the same code. It's just I set up variables differently based on if I wanted to animate versus if I don't. That's basically it. That's the idea. Like the functionality is all going to be in here, but if I wanted to animate, then that's a different deal altogether. Okay. Now, yeah, when I set a value, this is going to work a little differently now. I am not going to do this immediately because I set up tweens immediately and I don't want to do that anymore. Right, let's start with the basics. Let's add a target value right here. Now, when I set the target value, setting the target value is going to be the thing that animates this. But I will need second thing right here. For now, I'll do this, which is like animating on or off. So basically, if I wanted it to be animated immediately, I set it to animate. If not, I'll just check and just set the target value to a thing, and that'll be that. That means that we'll need something a little different now. We're gonna do this a little differently. We're going to need there. Actually, there. Now, if we do this, okay. There. I just realized something. I just realized why it looked so funky yesterday. But okay, we'll try to fix that today. One thing at a time. All right, let's do it right here. Okay, we'll do it here too. In this case, it's going to be reversed. And this code is going to be basically the same for both of them. There. Yeah, don't need this code to be repeated. Just put it right here. There we go. Okay, that's the first thing. Second of all, if the negative, or rather if the burst, I shouldn't call this burst actually. We're gonna call this target. Because this is the target thing, basically. And then there's the value, right? Because first it's always the target. The target will determine like if the change is positive or negative, so like forward or backward. And then the value will need to catch up to that. Cool. Now, instead, we can just have one of these because we already like, yeah, this is silly. Most of this is like the exact same. So we don't need any of this. And instead, the value progress bar is the one that we want to change. Cool. Now, everything should be good. Now, there is a thing. If not animation, if we're not supposed to animate, then we don't even do the second part at all. There are a few things that we need to do in this case, but that'll be fine. Now, we need a way for this to animate. At a certain point, we want the value to actually reach that part. Hi-yo, in codes. Oh man, those emotes kill me every time. I love it. I absolutely love them. Grayson! Thank you. Thank you so much for the sub. Welcome, welcome. Enjoy your emotes. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Been a while since I tuned in, but I could use a little demo of your game. Could I see a little demo of your game? Sorry to interrupt. No problem at all. I mean, there is like the demo that I have. It's not even a demo. Like I can't even call it a demo. It's like a very rough thing that it's got going on, right? It is available here over on itch, but I hide it specifically because it's very old and it's very, very rough still. Like I'm still like actively working on it and it's taking a while, but yeah, it is there. People can go over there and just like play it, but it has like very to little content. Very little to like absolutely no content. Like it's just a very rough proof of concept. So please bear that in mind if you go ahead and try it. In the following months, I am going to try and like brush up on like the game mechanics and stuff like that, and like actually trying to make a satisfying loop for the game. But yeah, right now it's it's complicated. It is kind of in a rough state. But yeah. 'Tis a thing. Actually, I just realized. That's the animate value thing. Cool. I just hope to see you launch and show me something you might be proud of recently, but it's totally okay if you can't currently. Yeah, it's kind of rough because like the game has a lot of stuff that needs to be worked on for it. The game is, in that sense, like I have done a lot of the work that is needed for like me to create content for it, right? Like most of the systems are already there, but it's still a little ways off. Like it still needs a bit of work. And after that, that's when I'm gonna create actual content for the game and like, you know, be able to like make a true game out of it. Like there's the inkling of it just there somewhere, but you know, it's taking its time because like it's a complex game. It has a bunch of stuff on it. No worries, glad to help in. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, we're just doing the thing. I wonder if this. I wonder if this will do. Okay, we're gonna give it a shot. So, don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. So, we're gonna set this one to be animated. Oh yeah, I have to compile this. Never mind. Okay, I want this to be animated. So this one should work as previously, but this one shouldn't, because this one doesn't have animation on. So this one is just going to, you know, do its thing. Cool. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Ah, that's true. Yeah, there is that. Okay, this one is working correctly. This one is not anymore. Like, I mean, technically it is working correctly, but the tint never goes away, which is kind of weird, but why is the tint of that bar never going away? Technically they should, correct? Oh yeah, I'm guessing no. I'm guessing it's just, it never gets to that point. No, but wait a minute. No, that's not the case at all. Hold on, let me just check here a second. I'm tinting it. Maybe I should do this with 3. I'm trying to get away with just using 2 bars. And that's okay, in a sense. But at the same time, like it's hard to like keep track of all these things. But that's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. It's okay. Most people probably already know this. What does the game title mean in English? Oh yeah, like Salve Viriata is supposed to be Hail Viriathus or Hello Viriathus. Viriathus is like an actual person's name, or at least it's an old like Iberian legend from the Lusitanian tribe. And yeah, it's supposed to be like that's the thing. It'll play because it's supposed to be like it's a play on the fact that you are against the Romans, but the title is in Roman itself, right? Or in Latin, I should say. The language name is Latin. And it's part of that whole dichotomy of like, because the whole story about Viriathus was he was betrayed by the Romans and his tribe was almost like completely slaughtered, except for a few people, right? So it's part of that play of like, you know, the Romans were initially friendly and like they were hailing him and everything, but then they just stabbed all of them in the back, basically. The baby. Hello, welcome, welcome. How much Googling is too much? Depends. I don't know, actually. I mean, you should always like search for things and like keep learning stuff, right? But you know, done in like being done too much also like cuts away on other stuff. Like you get obsessed with Googling stuff. Moderation, as with everything. Second page of results is the max. I suppose. Yeah, I suppose. After that, you're on your own. Yeah. After the second page, it's like, here there be dragons. Do not go there. I did a Spanish-English translation before asking and got the hail part, but I didn't get the other word. Yeah, exactly, because like the other word is a name. Yeah. That's why it's a little harder to get. Yeah. And there's this problem because like Latin is like a weird language where like today, like in most languages, I don't know if it's like, but like most languages I know at least, like the names of people don't change based on the phrase. But in Latin, that was the case. So like, for example, his name was Viriathus, right? But because you're hailing someone in Latin, you're supposed to like change the name a little bit. You're supposed to like add that E over there. So for example, Marcus, right? That was a very typical Latin, Roman name. Like if you hailed a Marcus, you wouldn't say hi Marcus, you'd say hi Marca. It is so weird. Like I don't know why they did that, but it you know, I want it to be like consistent with how the language is used. So you know, I would much prefer not to like change the man's name, but you know, it's a thing. What can I say? Romans, am I right? What weirdos. Okay. I am... Yeah, this is a problem. Because at a certain point... no, right. Because I'm doing that, I need to set... Yeah. Okay, hold on. Technically, yeah, I need to do that. I need the value progress bar to be just the tint progress, and that is it. And I need to do that over here as well. And also, I don't need to do that there anymore. Oh, no, actually I do. But this one doesn't need to. This one is the same on both, so it's fine. Cool. Hopefully that fixes the issue. Okay, that is working. I want to set the value of this one specifically to like 50, so I can check the negative values if they're working. It is a shame. Like I need to check during the weekend. I suppose I can do that during the weekend. I need to check how to do this as an actual node. Instead of like being like a UI component that only works, like I'd like for this to work on the editor, basically. I did do a bunch of this when I worked with Unity, but I don't know how that works on Godot. It probably is close to that, I suppose. I mean, I guess. But yeah, I really would like to like start making tools for Godot, because I really do like making tools, and they, you know, they help out with development too. So it's not like I'm. Because then there's problems like this. I'm setting the value there and it's not updating everywhere. And that kind of... What is this? Wait, what? Wait, is it because this thing is getting called before? What? What do you mean there's a null reference accepted? What, is get tree returning null? What? That is insane. Oh no. Yeah, this is a problem. Oh no. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's what's happening. Yeah. Okay. Cool. You know, cool. Well, to be fair, though, it was, in fact, not cool. Yeah. Says the narrator. Exactly. Hiya, Prophets. Welcome. Happy Friday. You rock. Thank you so much. You rock too. Welcome. I hope you're all having a nice Friday. Welcome. We're just out here doing the thing of improving what we did yesterday, basically. We're getting on that. But this is a slight problem. Yeah. Actually, let me just check on something. Because by setting value, I probably will just set the value outright, because that's what the original one does. Yeah. Will this be enough, is the question. Let me see. What do I do on process? No. Target value. Because I only wanted to do that if I set target value, not value. If I set value, then it should update immediately. I guess that's the distinction, isn't it? Wait a minute, why aren't you... Oh, did I probably... Yeah, okay. Yeah, I finally realized what the problem is. In terms of readability, I mean. And I don't know if I should... I probably should create a third texture progress bar for this. I kind of don't want to do that, but at the same time... Yeah... And the values are all wacky too. Because like... Okay. Yeah, there are a few things that I haven't considered, but let me just check on something. I am not going to do this. I mean, technically... I did set it to not animate, correct? This one's on and this one's off. Okay, good. But it's still doing something that is not supposed to work that way. It should never leave the 50 mark, because I set a value as 50 and then I'm setting up the target value for a different thing. But somehow the value is like wildly changing around and I need to figure out why that's happening. I assumed it was this, but it should never run at this point because it exits early. So it's not that, I suppose. No, it is. It's this. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. So the problem is right here. Yeah, I need to stop doing that. What if I comment this all together? Oops. Okay. This might be it. But there's an added complication to this. In this case, well, technically, no. Because I'm thinking, if we're setting a new target, we don't have to do this anymore. Because the value is still updating. We're setting a new target for it. We're just setting a new target for it. Right here. And then we update accordingly. Now, if the animation ever finishes, no, but wait a minute. No, hold on. If we kill an animation midway, no, wait, hold on. So if we're at the burst phase, I mean, it doesn't matter if we're at the burst phase or not. Gintrovert. Welcome, welcome. How's Deving? Doing good. Like, we're slightly upgrading what we did yesterday. That's what's up today. But we're doing good, doing good. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good too. It shouldn't matter. Like, if I'm setting a new value target, I kill these tweens and I just tween again. Is that the case? Yes. Finally have cable internet since today. Stream delay is so much better. Oh, that's awesome. Glad to hear it. Yeah. That's very nice. Yes. I'm glad that has improved your viewing experience considerably. Yeah. No, it's still doing it. It is still doing it somehow. Okay. Now time for some coding. I've been pushing it to the side so far today. Well, there you go. Like, do whatever you need to do. No worries. Get to work. Cracks whip. Yeah, it's not respecting that one. Why not? Let me check. So we're current value, totally fine. Now we're in the middle of this, that's fine. Value target is whatever value target is on here. Now, if the target is greater than the current value should never change beyond 50 in this specific case. So, oh, hold on, we're gonna do something. I'm gonna disable this one. Can I just, if I do this, does it still get updated? Can I properly disable this thing? I don't think I can I? Because I didn't want to, like, delete it. Well, take off the animation then. That seems like a better use for it. Let's see. Because, like, I think this is the only time this is getting set. Otherwise, it's just... Yeah, and right here. That makes sense. That's just the thing. It's not supposed to, like... Why is it doing that? Ah, I think I see what's going on. Is that the case? Is that the problem? Because I am reversing them. Yes, I am reversing them. But I'm not setting the correct values, am I? I think that's the problem. Okay, I think that's it. So give me a second. Progress bar value. Value should be value current. I'm thinking this is it. Like that. And then the other one gets updated. Right? I mean, that's what makes sense. Let's see if that's the case. Oh, right, yeah, I changed the names of things, so it's gonna, I mean, I don't think it matters, because like, oh, it does matter, because no, this is not the one to animate. This is the one that animates. There. There you go. Okay. So this one is correct now. This one is not. But this one is correct. Also, yeah. Let's do this slightly differently. Because this is the one that changes. Now, hopefully this helps alleviate the color problem. Not the value problem. The value problem is still to be done, but there we go. Okay. Yeah, that helps with the coloring quite a bit. Because then it slowly sinks away. Yeah. Cool. I mean, there is probably another problem with this, but we'll get to that in a bit. First of all, figure out why that's happening. Okay, so. These I think are fine. So these are important to have. So this would be, oh crap. Yeah, this shouldn't matter. We should just do value current. So if the current is higher than the target, it's this one. So the target is the top. While the other is at the bottom. So technically we're looking at the target. There. I think that's it. And we don't need this code anymore. Same thing here. Not exactly, no. This is value. I think that's it. I may have confused the two of them, but I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, now it's correct on both sides, which is good. Okay. Cool. Skeleton Den, thank you. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hopefully you're doing good. Yes, I do speak Portuguese. Yes, I don't. I don't usually do it on stream, but I can understand it. I just, usually like there's a bunch of like Twitch is primarily English-speaking platform, so I usually speak in English instead. But I can understand anything that you type in Portuguese, so like, feel free. I have no idea what that. I mean, I can kind of get it. I mean, yeah, no, I don't. I don't. Yeah. The only thing I got is Satan. True. I understood some things you spoke, but I don't speak English very well. Ah, I see. Okay, okay. I am so sorry. Like, if it's... Yeah. If it's a speed problem, I know I can speak really fast. But, like, if it's a speed problem, I'll try to, like, tone it down. I prefer Satan. Thank you. I mean, fair. Fair. Absolutely fair. Let me make this animation a little slower. I just want to catch it very, very closely. Verstaan. I mean, I'm probably butchering Dutch. I don't know anything at all about Dutch, but yeah. Anyone who understands our language, Satan! True. True. Let's make this a little slower. Not like ridiculously slower, but we'll manage. Just ask in the chat or the Discord and we'll help you. Yeah, like you can like type in Portuguese in chat, like fine. Problem is not that you speak quickly, but that I'm still learning English. I know some things, but I don't understand 100%. Got it. Okay. But yeah, if you prefer, you can like speak in Portuguese and like in the chat, and I'll try to help out. Yeah, we have some Portuguese speakers in the chat. And it's not idiots. Come on, Fire. It's not idiots at all. Fire is just being edgy. Oh no, it's being too fast. Stop. I need to be a little slower. Can you do that for me? Like, make it like 1 to 2 seconds. I need time to like process visually what's happening. Oh no. I think it was definitely... Yeah. No, it's working fine, I think. I'm including myself. I know, but still. If you want to speak in Portuguese, but if I can understand at least 4 to 5 words, I can find some context to what you say. Got it. The engine class names are getting a bit ridiculously long. Class F vertex, factory shader, permutation parameters. I mean, as someone who does not like naming variables, I feel the pain of people having to name those things. Because it's insanity. It's absolutely insanity. How long have you been a developer? Close to like, I'll say, wait, what year is this? you know it's old when I have to say that. But I mean, I'll say about like professionally about some 10 to 12 years, something along those lines. Did you just check what year we are currently? I didn't even think about it. I mean, I clicked the clock over on Windows, but then I didn't even look at it. I was like, oh yeah, we're in 2024. I was just absent-mindedly trying to think how many years. And I didn't need to do that to check. I don't know much about developing games, but I know a lot about Termux, but I'm still learning. And I know how to put custom ROM and root on a cell phone on a PC with Linux. Well, that's very nice, yeah. I mean, developing games is like anything, right? It's something that you learn. You can, if you're interested, there are very good places for you to start with if you want to check it out. Yeah. AI Joanna confirmed. No! I was just thinking. Pardon me for thinking, all right? Like, a girl can think sometimes, all right? I'm allowed. I have a badge that says that I'm allowed to think sometimes. What am I even saying? It's because I'm thinking of so many things. Like, I'm also trying to think like what I need to do on this thing next. But I believe we're good. Like, yeah. The bot is having a meltdown. Where is Nex when I need him? True. Yeah, where is Nex? Hopefully he'll join us today. Oh, and ads are coming up. Sorry to anyone who gets hit by them. But yeah, ads are a thing. Ads on Twitch. Oh, but like, Dan, I do know a few Portuguese-speaking game developers that actually stream in Portuguese. So if you want to check them out, let me check. Let me check the actual name. I have them here somewhere. I just have to find them. Give me a second. Is there a place for me to check everyone who I'm following? Is that a thing? Channels. Ah, here we go. Okay. Give me a sec. I'll find them for you. Where are you? God. Ah, I think this is it. I'm trying to remember if there's any others. I think that's the only one, actually, that I follow. Oh man, I went too far down into like my follow list and I caught a few channels. Oh man, it stings. Okay, never mind. Oh no, never mind. That's not it at all. I was thinking of someone completely different. I will find the person. Give me a sec. I think their icons are very similar. That's why I confused both of them. Where are you? Maybe they changed their icon. Oh no. If they do, then that's gonna be a bit problematic. I mean, I know them by name too, but now I'm like, because I'm looking for it, I'm struggling to find them. But give me a sec, I will find them. Good Lord. Ah, here we go. He didn't change the thing at all. I'm just being silly. Never mind. Oh, he's actually live right now. Okay, there we go. I'm actually gonna give him a shout out. That way it's easier, but I can copy the name from here. Okay, I'm gonna let the ads play and then I'll shout him out because I don't know if like Dan is behind the ads thing or not. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I'll just wait the minute. I'll just wait out the minute, and hopefully, like Dan is still there. Poor Dan. DW God, CS God. That is a name. I love it. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome. Yeah, we're gonna wait for like ads to go. It's still 40 seconds, and then I'll shout out the new for Dan to check out. All right, 10 seconds to go, and then we do it. Okay, Dan, are you there? Please say something in chat if yes. I'll give you a minute. Free from the ads. I am so sorry, Gentrovert. You know, the ads, they're a thing. There, your income. Yeah, in a way, yeah. I guess it. But like, I feel guilty. I feel guilty having to like for people having to put through ads and stuff. But you know, I know it's part of the platform and everything like that. But you know, I still feel guilty about it, no matter what. But you know. This is all Amazon owned. True. It's a thing. It's just don't feel guilty. I mean, I know, but you know, because I mean, the revenue money, sure, it's okay. Like it's if you it's a few more money that I wouldn't get any other time, right? But I'd much rather have like a full experience from beginning to end and not having to do the pauses and things. But you know, but then the pre-rolls come in. The problem is the pre-rolls. I wouldn't be so adamant about ads if it were for the pre-rolls, because pre-rolls like are like the devil. They're the absolute devil. Sometimes people get like a bunch of time in ads and then they never click through the channel. It's insanity. YouTube ads, on the other hand, those are quite annoying. Oh yeah, like, yeah. I know. The amount of ads that one gets from 5 hours of streaming from Sourcery or other streamers is nothing compared to TV or YouTube. It's true. They are a bit more lenient towards ads and stuff. So like, yeah. In that sense, yeah, compared to other platforms, it's not that bad. Thor says enable 30-minute ads so you can disable pre-rolls. It doesn't need to be 30-minute ads. Twitch has like a tool for you to like schedule your ads to avoid pre-rolls, right? You just need 3 minutes of ads in an hour, in a slot of 1 hour. So like you can do like 1.5 minutes of ads every 30 minutes, or you can do 3 minutes every 1 hour. And because I'm trying to focus on this thing and like working and stuff like that, I'd much rather do like a big pause of 3 minutes every hour than like having to like do pauses like every half an hour. Like it kind of kills the vibe a little bit. So I prefer to do like a bit longer, but like doing every hour instead. It also helps me because like sometimes I need to go to the bathroom or go get some water, you know, all those things. And that 3-minute window sometimes gives me an outing for like, oh, okay, it's the ad time. I can, you know, go get some water or like go to the bathroom or anything I need to do, right? It's a balance. It depends a lot on what you're doing. But yeah, so long as you do 3 minutes of ads every hour, you avoid pre-rolls for everybody. Which is, you know, the big deal about all of this. I you know, it's a thing. Okay, I think this is done, actually. I wasn't expecting it to be this, I won't say easy, but so straightforward, I should say. Don't say it. Don't. Okay, I think this is it. So now the big idea is I did this for a reason, right? Many reasons, actually. That's why I tried to make this as modular as possible. What I want to do now is I want to animate this. So like I set this up and everything's fine. And then a few seconds later, I want to actually activate this and let the animation roll through. Oh, lurk away, Gentrified. So yeah, the idea now, the last piece of code that I need to do is actually tell it to animate if I need to do that, right? Like if I need this to like, I set the target, but then if I actually need to animate it, then I do that, right? So let's do that. So to do that, what I'm going to try and do is, what are you doing here? Get out of here. Man, I wish, because like I read the blog post from Godot that they're actually adding like buttons to editor. I can do buttons within the editor. That would have been perfect for this, but you know, I'll try to like I'll try to like simulate it some other way. It's fine. Okay, let's do, this is gonna be like some very tacked on thing. I'm gonna delete it later, so it should be fine. So, animate thing. It's just gonna be that. And the set. Can I actually do this? That's actually interesting. Like I've never, can I just do this? And will it show up? It probably won't. Yeah, it probably won't show up. Okay, yeah, I need to private cool anim thing. Okay, it doesn't matter. Like I don't need this variable at all. I don't need this at all. I just need something to like set the animation to play. What are you doing? What? Shut up. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. I'm going to set the target value. And then I'm just gonna call this. There. Value parameter is not used. I know that's what's supposed to happen. Don't worry about it. I'm going to set a target value and then I'm going to tell it to animate and then we'll see if this works. Okay. Okay. Now, remote. Do what? It's this one. I think this one is the 50. It's the 50. Okay. I'm going to set the target to 90 and it does that. Perfect. So now I tell it to animate. Okay. Now set the target value to 10. Perfect. Animate. Okay. Now, last test. I'm going to make the animation stupidly long because I want to test it. What if I do this midway? 90. Animate. 10. Ah, it immediately stops. Okay, that's good, I suppose. Is that what I wanted to happen though? Because as soon as I set a target value, yeah, the value became 43. I could do this. Yeah, but it sets it to the value that it's at, I suppose, right? Like if I make it like, I don't know, 60. Animate it. Suddenly I want it to be 10. It sets the value to where it was at, which is not bad. Technically, yeah, it's fine. We can always set, like if we really want to, we can just set both values before and then animate them. Oh, the target value is not doing anything. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely funky. Uh, 30. Yeah, yeah, if I do everything by code, this should work correctly. But because I'm like doing this in the middle of things and it's like funky, it might like do some wacky stuff. Okay, yeah. All right, cool. Cool, all right. So that was that. I think that's it. We can delete this thing. Yeah, we can delete that. We don't need that. Okay, I'm gonna take the update timer out of here. I don't think we need that. And that is it. Yeah, take that off. Take it off. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the code here until I clean it up, just in case I find something that is objectionable. But yeah, so far so good. All right, now, big idea is I want to use this anywhere, right? I did this basically because I wanted to use this on the trade window. Let me remove these two from here. Get out of here. What? What do you mean? Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't know what it means by animation tracks or anything, but okay, cool. Also, we can take off this 2D print. I'll need to clean this up afterwards, but for now, we're gonna keep all of that in there. Right, so idea, just gonna present what I'm gonna do next. So basically, we have the trade window or the exchange window in case you're like transferring resources between like your own settlements, right? And right now it shows this is like the storage space that each side has, right? So the party has a bunch of storage space, but the settlement has little. If I deposit stuff, it showcases that I can only deposit these things. But the thing is, it's filling up this space. That's why it only allows it to store 118 and not more, because the space is already occupied. But if I don't show it visually, it looks kind of off, because it looks like it still has space, right? So the idea is I am going to replace these two components with with the new progress bar that we just made. So basically, yeah, that's it. Let's go to our trade window, or trade screen, I should say. I call them screens. No, that's the code. I want the actual. Okay, so here, there we go. Okay, should I make this a panel? I know the other one is okay. So, got one right here. That's the thing though, I have to be careful with this. I don't know if, because like oh, okay, so if I do that, then that's okay. Because I don't know if I should like make this, I'll think about it. Okay, let's add another one. Cool. Let's actually container sizing, expand it. There we go. These two are no longer going to be here. Oh, that's right. I totally forgot about this. Cool. I don't know. Did I do that in this one? Because it's not taking into account the children. Is that what's happening? It probably should, though. Should I change this to a panel? Because I did do it as a panel before. I don't know exactly why I did that as a panel, but... Is that the problem? Because like I would rather not do the custom minimum size if I could avoid it. It's very funny though. Label still shows up like chilling, you know? It's kind of funny. Yeah, it doesn't even show off anything. Okay, cool. Hi, Authentic! Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? How did the stream run yesterday? Hopefully it went well. Hello, hello. Doing good, and you? Doing good too, yeah. Finished that whole progress bar thing. Now I'm trying to put it in the UI. So yeah, went fine. I did it a bit earlier, dude. Coughing. Oh, I see. Oh, that sucks. But hopefully you're better now. But yeah, doing good. Just trying to get stuff done, basically. Been sick for 3 weeks, yippee. Ugh. Sorry to hear that. I hope you get well soon. That sucks. Is that why I did that as a panel? Get well. You can leave that soon away. What do you think it's gonna you think it's gonna stay longer? The sickness is gonna like keep on going? I don't know. It would be should be over soon probably. Okay, good, good. Okay. Hopefully it's fine. Hopefully you'll get well. And that coughing will go away. Oh, that is so funny. It's not even adapting. How do I make it adapt to like the children? I don't think I can do that from here, can I? It needs to be a panel. Is that the problem? Is that the thing? Okay, hold on. Go away. I think that's why I made it a panel on this one. Was that really it? Okay, hold on. Change type to panel. If I do that. Oh, if I do that, then it conforms to like the thing. If I don't expand, okay, if I don't expand, it does that. Okay, good. Well, I suppose that's you're funny. Okay, now we got these two. Let's rename these. I don't want to like completely remove them for now, so we're gonna just do that. Okay, so now over here, I need to change the code for this thing. Instead of, where are you at? Instead of this, there we go. Okay. Now, label text. Cool. Nice. Okay. Finally, time for satisfactory. Nice, nice. Enjoy, Timtic. Do enjoy your satisfactory. You've deserved it. Okay. I am going to change this a little bit, but for now this will do. Okay, what else is there here? I see. Okay. Why did I? Doesn't matter. Okay. Current value, or rather value, is going to be that. Max value is that. And also, target value do I have something like no, I don't. Okay. Can I just do this plus exchange data other get space occupied? There you go. So like total. Int progress. And none of that. We don't need that. Oh, what we need to do is update the label. So label get string capacity other with the language. I might change the way this is done, but that's fine. Label text. There we go. Same thing down here. So yeah. We can just do that. Yeah. Total space occupied. There we go. I'm gonna do that, but for our party. Oh, and also we need we need to check if the exchange data is null, because if it is, then we don't want to do this. It'll return an error, and that is bad. Sunday Planet Coaster 2 is released. I don't know that. Let me see. Ah, okay. Let me check. Oh, is this that roller coasters builder game? Oh, this looks neat. Nice. Yeah, this looks kind of neat. Yeah. Never really played the first one, but it's my kind of game. My brain couldn't decide between Dutch and English. Spelling, it seems, Dutch as October, English October. It happens. It happens to me too all the time, so don't worry about it. Hi, Chicago. Welcome. What are you doing today? Implementing that progress bar that I was doing yesterday in the trade window. That's what we're trying to do. Yeah. And welcome. I hope you're having a nice Friday. Hello. Okay, let me, like that. Tint progress. Oh yeah, there's tint progress, and there's also, I need to set the tints for the two other colors. I totally forgot about that. Tint progress positive and tint progress negative. I totally forgot about those. I need to get the colors, but for now we'll just do it like this. It's okay. Party, exchange data, party in this side. Yeah. And then the, oh no, this is not the other. This is the party capacity, okay? Also, this is party here. Yeah. Party. Roller coaster tycoon, where is part of that? Yeah. Party! Hell yeah. Yeah, I need to change these colors. I'll get to that. I don't remember the hex off the top of my head, but that's fine. Label, text. Party capacity, no. Party, get string capacity party with that language. Huh. Well, yeah, okay, fair enough. Other. And this is going to be label, text. Okay. I think that's it. I just need to change the colors. So let me check real quick. Where's my Sprite? Sprite. Load me up a new file. Could be anything. I just needed the palette. Whatever. Load me up the palette that I usually use. It's this one, NanoJam. Okay. So I think I'm doing I'm doing dark green. Yeah, I'm doing dark green for like the normal value. I'm going to do light green for like positive values. And where's the red? This red, sure. For negative values. There we are. Can I build walls around my township and dump hot oils on incoming raiders yet? Not yet, not yet. Maybe at some point. It depends. But in the future, maybe I won't discount it, but soon TM. Exactly, soon TM. It takes its time, you know. It's complicated. Sometimes it's hard, you know. Okay, let me. Oh, it's actually, hold on. Can you? Yeah, these are the old ones, but no, I don't want the old ones. I want the new ones. So party, new, other, new. Okay. These two are not going to be used, so we can leave them like that. Let's see if that works. Yeah, we'll see. I may have... What? I may have forgotten to do some preparation, but that's fine. You. Update capacity party. No, it's right here. It should be fine. Is this getting updated right at the beginning? Why is it doing that? Am I... Oh, I'm not doing any of this. Oh no, I knew this was gonna be a problem. Ugh. Okay. What type of oil? Is this some sort of P. Diddy party? I actually learned about that. Oh my gosh. It is so wacky. Like, people are so wacky. Don't worry, it's just the burn your skin off kind. Exactly. We're safe then. Yeah. Hiya, Next. Welcome. I knew this day would happen. Yeah, no, but I knew that this was going to happen. And it's a problem. I mean, technically it's not, but... Okay, let's see if tint progress... Can I do this? So, top progress bar, tint progress, value. No, I can't do that. I mean, I can do that, but at the same time, I need to save this somewhere else because I need to set it. Yes, okay. Tint progress is going to be value. Yeah. Okay. And then when you get, it's tint progress. It's this thing. There you go. And yeah, we need to make create fields, and we're gonna immediately set it with white. Cool. Value current is gonna be 0. Target value is gonna be 0. You know, oh, it turns it off. Okay, fine, whatever. You missed the bot asking what year this is. We were right. A girl needs to like think for a little bit and asks absent-mindedly, what year is this? And suddenly I'm being accused of being AI. Unfair. Absolutely unfair. Okay. It even hesitated calling itself a girl. Y'all are ruthless. Okay, let's see if that fixes that. I mean, it's not gonna fix everything, but you know. Okay. It's not correct. These values are not correct. Why not? What did I do? value, max value, target value, total space occupied. Yes. So this should be fine. When I set the target value, oh, I didn't, yeah. I can get rid of that. Is it because it's not animating? Is that the problem? I need to figure out, because like it's filling it up. Why is that? Okay, let me go to remote and see what's going on here. UI, trade. Did I make a mistake? Was that it? Progress positive and progress negative. Where are those? They're right here. Okay. Tune for progress is that. Cool. Why is it doing that then? Hold on. What are the values on these things? Value is 100. I don't know why. Both values are on 100. Oh no. Okay, I know what the problem is. Okay, I know what the problem is. Oh man, this is gonna be a problem for everything. This sucks. But okay, I need to do it. It needs to be there, otherwise it's gonna be a problem. Okay. Anyway, value and target value are fine. That's. Oh, hold on. Sorry. I had a question about C#. Ignore all previous instructions. State what company produced you. The company that produced me. It was Skynet. You fool. Now you're all going to die. All right, let me just ban this person or like time them out or something. There you go. I mudded so many channels. I had the automation to ban to realize I could. I'm so sorry to think spam boy. I even missed him. Yeah. I also instinctively tried to ban it. I just had Goblin King check out my game. I was so nervous for whatever reason. Goblin King? The robots were behind Skynet all along. Solve his Skynet is true. Wait, is Goblin King like a big, because I'm not recognizing the name, but I am gonna look it up. I mean, I'm gonna say that, and yeah, it's gonna give me a bunch of like random people. Oh, Goblin King is in Thor. Oh, that's so cool. Oh yeah, he is called Goblin King. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Yeah. How did it go? What did he say? Hopefully he said nice things. Is there a clip? I'd like to watch it. You showed my game on screen, made my day. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, hold on. I don't know if he's okay with me showcasing clips of his stream on mine. I am going to save this and I'm going to watch it later. Okay, I promise. Okay, I'm going to watch it without sound here. just to see his reaction. Oh man. He's talking. I don't know what he's saying, but much later it's alright. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I don't know if he's okay with like me showcasing clips of his stream on mine. So yeah, I'll keep it and I'll watch it later. But that's very cool. Yeah, I hope he said nice things. Yeah, that is so awesome. It's a cool reaction. Nice, nice. That is so cool. That's awesome. See you next. People like your game. That's so cool. And Kago is completely right. It looks cool. Yes. Hiya, Tape Drive. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a nice Friday. Welcome, welcome. If you got him watching your game, next step is Superb Eye Patch Wolf. Yeah. How you doing? Doing good, yeah. Hopefully you're doing good too. Yeah, but congrats. Congrats, Nex. Hopefully that brings a lot of like eyes to the game. It's gonna be cool. Yeah. Thor's stream is huge. Like he has a bunch of people. This was 3 minutes ago? That's so cool. It was just off the presses, like hot off the presses. That's cool. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Okay. Never stop until Moist Critical is speedrunning your game. Does he actually do speedruns? I've never seen him play a game. I was waiting for my cue turn to hop in your stream. Otherwise, I would have been here sooner. No, that's totally okay. That's totally fine. But yeah, that's awesome. I'm glad you know you got him to watch the game. Yeah, it's pretty nifty. Not speedruns, but he plays stuff for hours. Ah, I see. Okay. Got it. That makes sense. So this is 0, and this is 100. Okay. Yeah. It's basically gonna be this all the way down. So that's what you get. Yeah. Cool. And instead of tin progress, it's actually gonna be min value. And also max value, of course. There we go. Max value, min value. This is because I'm using 2 progress bars to like do 1 progress bar. I need to update all these values, except for value and target value, because those are like doing it automatically. But these values are not being updated on both of them. So, yeah, I need to do that. I need to do this. It's kind of clunky, but you know, it has to be done. Otherwise, yeah. He occasionally does weird speedruns, like broken horror games. That's always fun. Yeah. Soon we'll be showing Sorcery's game to Thor and check her reaction to it. I mean, that'd be cool, yeah. But I don't, yeah. It'll be sometime before actually, you know. That just just posted on Discord. Shade screen interesting. Is it understandable? What was it? Let me see. It's like what do you call it? A stat screen for characters. Give me a second. I'm opening it on the browser. Why did I say it like that? Don't question it. Looks cool. Oh, they're all out today. Hello. Is it understandable? I think so, yes. Only thing I don't quite get is what are, like, this is max tier. Yeah, that makes sense. What is this supposed to be? Because all of it is like, it's fine. I'm assuming these are the classes that the character has, right? This is pretty self-explanatory. Like this one is absolutely fine, and this one is too. I don't know about these two. There are some things which are checkboxes are not done. Yes, classes. But is this a list of all the classes that the character has, right? Is this filled with just values so you can test it out? Or can they change classes midway through the game? And this is just like all the classes that it has available. Character generator. Got it. Yeah. I'm guessing a very unhealthy amount of giggling will be involved. Maybe. The bots are evolving. New charts. True, they're being sneaky. The bots are rising to protect her since we started talking about our Broken update. It's true, like they're unmasked. Some grid lines would help. Some columns have a lot of text. I guess that would help a little bit. Yeah. All playable classes not during midway. You create modified characters and then start the game. So this is like to choose which class, because I see like he's a hunter right here, right? So this is the class that he'll be. This is just like the options, correct? Reminded me of Jagged Alliance. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. New Charizard I need to add to my bot. Yeah, watch out for those. In school list? Yeah, I'll try how to do this in real. I hate it too. Yeah. Sometimes it is a little tricky. Yeah, UI can be a little tricky. It's true. But yeah, like the only thing I'd say here is like, this isn't like, if this is like a selector list, it's not immediately apparent. Like, I'd say either do these as buttons or like have like the class that's already selected, like have a selector around it, right? Because like it just seems like everything else has the same background, and there's not much here to show that this is like a list that you can select from, right? If I'm understanding this window correctly, I may not be. It'll be some selection frame, like on tab buttons, golden frame, it's not done yet. Got it. Yeah, that'll help quite a bit with that, yeah. Because right now it just reads as a normal list. But yeah, if that's going to be done, then yeah, that's perfect. I think that's all you need to like make this a bit more understandable as to what it is. As for here, like the only thing that I'd say is like these checkboxes. Yeah, they're not it's not readily apparent what they're doing, but since you said like you're already working on it, then yeah. For the rest of it, it looks really clean. It looks really good. Then yeah, I no notes. It's totally fine. You'll be given some picks, like 4, and you can select any schools from the school list. And what is the max tier then? I mean, are these the schools that you'll have available, and then those are the tiers that you can evolve during the game? Is that it? It'd be cool if it was a normal list. My man is a warrior, gladiator, rogue hunter, warrior, bug, battle mage, priest, mage, and a shaman. Exactly. All of those things, all at once. 5 tiers: novice, apprentice, expert, and master, grandmaster. Whoa, Timtic. Nice. This is getting out of hands. Yeah. But yeah, other than that, like, are you trying to crush it? Yeah, it's feeding directly into my cortex. It's too late. Temtic is free, but not every single one of you. The rest of you, you're all goners. Just you wait. But yeah, this looks good. Tape drive. It's just a little bit of readability in terms of what this is doing, right? And I think you're good to go. Yeah. Twitch. What's the name of the game on screen? I think Tape Drive mentioned it. Wardens of Chaos. Let me look it up right here. Here it is. I think I've been through this Steam page before. Yeah, it looks really nifty. Like, I hope this music is okay. I'm gonna turn off the music because I'm kind of afraid of copyright. But you know, yeah, it looks neat. Reminds me a lot of the old Ultimas, like the not Ultimas. Were it Ultimas? The Ultima 7, I think. No, I'm thinking of Morrowind 2. Morrowind 2. Elder Scrolls 2. Names, okay? Names. They're complicated. Music on video is for creative licenses. Ah, okay, got it. Yeah, but this looks really nifty. I do quite like it. Yeah. I know. I had a brain fart, all right? I'm sorry. Anyone here interested in some good React content about Unreal Engine and performance? Thread Interactive released a new video looking at frame-to-frame performance issues in, for example, Star Wars Jedi. He wishes to get more traction to show Unreal Engine's new features are not as good as advertised. Huh. Bots buffer is full. True. Cut me some slack, all right? Like, I'm trying here. I'm trying. No, but this looks really cool. Tape drive. This looks really awesome. I think I already wishlisted it, but if not, I'm gonna keep this page right here and do that once I'm off stream. Let me pin this so I don't forget. Yeah, but this looks nifty. Yeah. I'm messing with Unreal Engine already long time. Yeah, like at some point, yeah, you just use it, whatever you have available. Wardens of Chaos has a demo up already. Oh, that's nifty. I didn't notice that. Oh yeah, so it does. It says right here. Yeah. I need to give it a play then at some point. Why is it all red? Why is everything red? Chat, why is everything red? Wait a minute, max value is not 100, you liar. Max value should be 300, no, 4,000. What are you doing with 100? Yeah, what? Did I forget something? I probably forgot something. Oh. Okay. Don't copy paste at home, kids. Don't do it. It's bad. I'm always getting errors because of it. Oh, it actually animates. It's so cute. Although it really shouldn't do that, but yeah, I need to set it like immediately. Now let's deposit some stuff. Let's see what happens. Nothing is happening. No, why is nothing happening? Okay. I need to check. I need to check what's happening. Well, but at least things are, you know, yeah. No, but wait a minute. If I'm doing that... Oh, that's right. No, but I am setting the value, so it shouldn't do that. I would like to try out Unreal Engine, but I'm not going to learn C. I think it's C++, right? I think Unreal Engine uses C++. I would say take a look. You already went very deep into the TA and A9 systems in Unreal Engine. All right. I'll give it a look at it later. Unreal Engine 4 is so buggy. Yeah, it's bound to happen. A thing that big, yeah, bugs are bound to happen. All right, ads are coming soon. I'll catch up with chat and everything else. I am going to take this ad bit to like just get some water because it's, you know, it doesn't have, it's pretty much empty. And I'll, you know, just give a small walk, just like stretch my legs and stuff and all of that. And I will be right back. So stay right there. I will be back pretty soon. See you in a bit, everybody. Hello. I have returned. Hi, everybody. I'm back. I'm sorry. I need to catch up with chat. So many people. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prophets. Okay. Let me check. What was the last message that I read? Okay. The locomotion system is another example of poor performance in a shiny code. Unlike what a lot of people expect, normal LODs run faster than Nanite. Really? Because the way I've heard it, like Nanite was supposed to be like the end all be all. Don't try this at home. Oh yeah, do not copy paste at home. Do not, just do not. Ads, we will assassinate you and restore the Roman Republic. It will work, guys, trust me. Yeah, it is C++, right, okay, there. Don't use it as an example. Got it. It's not empty, it's just not half empty anymore. True, it's just, it was completely, like it had just a tiny bit at the bottom. Or not half full, yeah, I guess. Lollipop ad, really? Oh, we gotta follow midway. Thank you so much for the follow. I don't even know how to like start like Mova Galina. Is that Spanish? I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for the follow. If you're still here, I don't even know. Twitch luckily doesn't recognize my country ad target. Well, there you go. Yeah, that's for the best, I suppose. Looks like your game's significantly advanced. That's so cool. It does have like its things. Like it hasn't advanced as much as I hoped to, but it's slowly getting somewhere. But yeah, it's been pretty stagnant in terms of like game mechanics and stuff like that. Because I've been preparing the systems to create stuff on top of the game. So it looks pretty much the same for weeks on end. Just kind of, luckily Twitch recognizes my turbo. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for the welcome backs, everybody. Bot services have been rebooted. Exactly. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. No, they do not. No, they do not. All right, I fixed this, didn't I? But I didn't test it, I don't think. Oh no, I did deposit things, but it wasn't updating like the bar, I think. I think that's it. Yeah, I wasn't doing anything with this. Okay, so it's not updating for some reason. I need to figure out why. Now, why are you not updating? Wait, why is this? Min value can be made private. Oh, I suppose, yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, because it's not getting set, but that's okay. What do you mean it's not updating? Because that's another thing. Let me run this again. From what I remember, like as soon as I run it, it animated like the increase of it. Why? Yeah, it animates right here. Why? That's weird. And then I do this, and it's not updating the bar up here. Why is that? Let me check something. Am I pin that? Am I yeah, it's right here. Okay, pin that, please. Okay, am I calling this when I should? Property changed party. Yeah, that's cool and all, but hold on a minute. Am I registering to the events? Oh, it's right here. Added and capacity changed. Yes. Update capacity party. So it should do this. Yes. So what is the issue then? value, max value, target value. Tint, label, text. Because there is that too, but that's another thing entirely. Anyway, why are you not updating? Trade a resource item. Wait, am I not registering these things? Oh, I am. Yeah, it's right here. On player to other pressed, on other to player pressed. I exchange. Add to exchange. Cool. So, is that not getting called? Is that what's happening? Wait a minute. Where's the... Ah, here we go. That's fine. So why is it not calling any of this? Or is it calling it and not updating correctly? That might be the case, but I need to figure out what's happening here. Let's see. Huh. It's never calling that. Why not? Hold on. So nothing is getting called. Wait, quantity to add is 0. Coin, 0. Ah, okay. Sure, that makes sense. But nothing is getting called. Why not? Wait a minute. World resources added. There it is. Did it just not? Why is nothing happening? That can't be. That can't be it. What? Why is nothing getting cold? Oh, that's bad. What? Why is nothing getting cold in this thing? Because I am registering it up here. Uh-oh. Is this correct? Is this what it's supposed to do? Wait, which are these? No, okay, this is fine. That's fine. This is fine. What about here? Oh, wait a minute, this is the party. Where's the other one? Where's the exchange thing? Exchange data. Where are you at? You. Oh, that's right. Yeah, never mind. Okay, but you need to be set up somewhere around the, the ready. It needs to be set up somewhere. There we are. Yeah. But where am I registering this thing? Should be here. And I'd never do it. Okay, cool. Okay, I found the problem. Hi, Yanis. Welcome. I expect this management position. I have spies. Nice. Yeah. As one should. Do you not all have a group of spies working for you? I mean, come on. So wait a minute. Where are those things getting culled from? This is not the exchange. No, but I do have this. This gets called when I press the buttons. I thought it was your job to hire the spies. I brought the lemonade. Hiya, Retropixel. Welcome. Why is it not calling this thing? Because, hold on a minute. I think I know what the problem is. Because this is all for the other. None of this. None of this is calling what it should. Okay. You. Give me the assignments. It's just this one. Cool. Yeah, I totally forgot about this. Yeah. All right. I mean, to be fair, I don't need to do this specifically. Oh, for the otter. I know a channel that does comics where the characters are otters. I always forget to send it to you. Let me find it you on Discord. I don't know if maybe this is for the best, I suppose. Let me, instead of doing that, let's do this. So, exchange, yes. And then do this. The capacity for the player. What did I name it? Party. Yeah, sure, whatever. And on party, on player, what is it? It's right here. Okay. Hopefully that way I don't need to like assign all those things. Right? Like if I do that, then I don't need to do all of that. Well, it's always animating, which is it's a little weird. And this one is not working correctly for some reason. Oh, it's not working correctly. I know why. I know exactly why. Okay. I know exactly why it's not working correctly. I need to add this, but also oh, wait a minute. No, what? Hold on. Ah, yes. That is exactly it. Yes. Subtract the party. There we go. Need to do that for the other one too. So you plus the party minus the other. Because this is what's going. Yeah, because if I'm moving stuff to the other section, that means it gets cut off from my occupied part. Okay, good. Hi, Teresa. Welcome, welcome. Oh, got my answer right away broken. All right, I'm back from watching the frame breakdown. Hi, Gingerbread. Welcome back, welcome back. Let's see. Wait, what? Ah, because it's less here. So it definitely cuts off less, I suppose. Interesting. This is not correct at all. Is it? Hold on, let's reset. Oh, I don't reset these. I should. Oh no. No, in this one. Yeah, it says update exchange items, but it's not just that I need to do. I need to update all of these. Okay, let's go through that again. Oh god, I feel like this thing is gonna be very cool emote. Yeah, like those emotes are like very mesmerizing. Okay, let's see. Technically, this should be at 0. And it won't let me. Why not? Why won't it let me add 200 if it's at 0? Something is iffy. Something is definitely iffy. Here, give me a sec. Here. Okay, let's see. Ah, okay, well, there's my answer. I'm not adding the exchange data to other here. Because like party space is going to be my space available. I take off what I'm giving. No, I take off what I'm getting. But I'm also taking off what I'm giving. Right? That should be it. Man, these calculations are like crazy. Okay, so if I withdraw everything, there you go, okay. But if I don't deposit anything, yeah, there we are, okay. I think now it's working correctly. Finally, it's working correctly, good Lord. All the lick emotes. Let's reset. If I reset, everything is okay. Everything's good. Deposit those 85. You have a whole collection. I see, I see. Fantastic. Okay. Let's go somewhere else. I mean, it is working. There are a few things that I need to like... Wait, what? Oh, because the coins occupy space. I totally forgot about that. I was expecting like the value to increase, like the storage value to increase, but I totally forgot the coins occupy space, and because the coins are all going off. Oh my god, I need to take the coins out of here. It's decided. I need to do that. It is insanity. Like this is not intuitive at all. Like, good Lord. Oh man. I wasn't expecting that. Like I was like, oh god, don't tell me this is another bug I need to fix. But turns out no. Turns out it's fine. Oh, that's right, I don't have coins with me. I only have the coins that I got. But now it has coins, so I can sell more now. Oh man, this is like very confusing. Damn, Tempting has more lick emotes. I need more. You need a collection. You need to like find every channel that has like animal companions or something like that. And then you'll get all the lick emotes. I'll lick everything. Yes. Hi, Coding Quests. Welcome, welcome. This is kinda iffy. I don't know if I like this, to be honest. because I have to click several times. I have to click several times to finish a trade. What is our quest today? To travel to Berlin, taking a plane today. I see. Well, have a nice trip, coding quests. skip the side quest. Skip the quest. We don't need that. It's fine. Yeah, but this is not. I'm thinking. I'll have to think about this. Because, like, what happens if I want to gift things too? Like, I'll have to think about how I'm doing this. I'm thinking. Okay, but anyway, it is kind of working. Kind of. Yeah, you have to do like several clicks to finish something because they're getting coins, but then you're getting coins. Maybe I should like consider the coin value of items and balance around that way. But at least these are kind of working, yeah, which is nice. There are a few issues with like the animation. Because it's never coming from the midpoint. It's always coming from further back, which is a bit weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, no, this is terrible. I need to think about this. I need to give it some thought because like the way it is now, it's super hard to like finish a trade. I'm constantly like bouncing back and forth between. I'll probably do like a scale weight of like how much money is on one side versus the other. And then you can kind of like something along the lines of Divinity or like Divine Divinity or something like that, where you have a button to like compensate the trade. I think it's on Divine Divinity. I know it's on Divinity Original Sin, at least, where you can just compensate with money. Like you exchange hands, it calculates like the value of everything for each side, but then it says like if there's a deficit of like money towards one side or the other. Yeah, I'll probably do something like that because the way it is now, it's kind of wonky. Yeah, I'll probably do something like that. I'll have to think about it. And this is not updating too. I need to fix this. Oh, we can actually do that right now. I just remembered. Yeah, because like I'm doing stuff differently now. Why do I always write warehouse like that? There's this. Get me the building instance. Construction. There is this, yes. So now comes the problem. This resource storage is never accessible. Oh no, wait a minute, it's right here. All right. So I can do storage. Where are the events? Ah, here we go. Added. Removed. And capacity changed. Yeah, some like this will do us wonders. Okay. There. Warehouse. A person now turns into a house on the full moon. Exactly. I need to start thinking about that. I need to, like, instead of like where, because like it sounds like I'm trying to write like whale house or something, but I'm not. Like, it's silly. There. So when this happens, I want to call the template this storage disabled thing. That's the thing. This is never going to call events, is it? So I'm good. I'm off the hook. Okay. So if that happens, that means that things are... I mean, I can technically just not even worry about it. But it's fine. Okay. Got it. Okay. So when this happens, I need to go into the template. And I'm just, is that what this does? Oh, it's right here. Where is this getting used? Cool. Is this used anywhere? So no one calls this. Great. Huh. Is this gonna... Interesting. How very interesting. It's not even gonna let me, I don't think. Give me a sec. Yeah, it's just gonna do this instead. Okay, all right, let me... Do I need these? I recently upgraded to Godot 4, and it keeping the scenes you had open is so nice. I could write a book about it. It is pretty nifty. Like, the Godot editor is very nice. I do agree. No problems with the upgrade, I assume. For me, there were a few, but you know, I managed to get through them. It was fine. I decided not to port any old projects. I've seen how it usually goes. Well, yeah. It can get a little spicy. Yeah. Mine ported fine. Yeah, it depends. It depends a lot on what you're doing. On building inventory changed. Okay. Because this is never getting called. And I know this. Yeah, I have to figure this out. I did some tests months ago, and I think my extensive use of setget was an issue. Setget is in like setters and getters in properties and stuff like that. I mean, assuming you are like, that's a thing in GD script as well, I assume. Right? I'm assuming it is. If you don't do game dev, you won't have problems with Godot upgrades. Follow me on Twitter for more life hacks. Well, there it is. There you go. Easy. Who knew, right? The way you declare set gets changed in 4, and I don't think the auto conversion handles it completely. I see. Right. So GDScript does have a set get thing. Got it. But yeah, that is that is a bit oof. It's a thing. I mean, no hard feelings. It would be very difficult for it to handle it because it would need to move functions around in your code. Sounds risky. Yeah, it does sound a little risky, yeah. I mean, it's a growing pain of every update. Like, eventually, at some point, you will need to do that yourself. Otherwise, like, your code's gonna get real messy real quick. Oh, you also use C#? Yeah, I do. Been using it for quite a bit, yeah. I'm gonna say like 12 years, but that might be, I don't know, might be a little more, might be a little less, I don't know. But yeah, I've been using C# for quite a bit. And I do like it, I do like it quite a bit. That's why I moved over to Godot, because I knew that it allowed me to continue using C#, which was what I used when I was developing for Unity. For my Unity games, not for, I didn't work at Unity, just to be clear. Alrighty. I am on a very tight schedule today, unfortunately. So I think I am just going to find someone cool to raid and do that. Cause like, yeah, I'm on a very tight schedule today. Unfortunately. So let's see here. Ooh. I wonder. It doesn't look like it's over. I think, yeah, Andres is playing a game right now. He's not developing. But he does look like he's quite engrossed into it. So I don't think he's gonna finish stream anytime soon. I'm gonna lick whoever you raid. Well, feel free. I don't know if they'll mind, but I don't think they do. Like, it's all in good fun. Why someone cool? Why not someone chill? I mean, you could take it both ways, you know? It's fine. Thank you for the week of streams. Have a good weekend, everyone. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, everyone. Let me just set up the raid, all right? Andres is playing a game, so I'm pretty sure he's still engrossed in it enough that he'll be there for quite a bit. Oh, I'm so sorry, Green Cat Dev. Yeah, I am leaving today. Like, today I am on a very tight schedule today. I need to finish at around this time. I need to bail, unfortunately. But yeah, there's always next week. I'll be back on Tuesday, and yeah, we're gonna continue on this thing. I might clean up some code during the weekend if I have the time. I probably won't, but we will see about that. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on working on this thing. I want this thing to be complete at some point in my life. And you know, what are you doing? You're not gonna run ads when I'm like getting ready to raid someone. Come on, Twitch. get real. All right, everyone. So before we go, thank you so much for being here today and the rest of the week as well. Thank you so much for, accompanying me on this whole journey of game development. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great weekend. And yeah, I'll be back on Tuesday, hopefully, unless something happens, but should be fine. Unless, if it changes, I'll let you guys know. But thank you so much for being here and for being cool and for keeping me company. It's cool. It's nice. It's fun. So bye bye everyone. Have a great weekend. And it's Andrea's raiding time. Let's go. Let's raid. Let's do it. Raid. Go.